Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this beautiful Expobar, and we had a leak right here at this fitting and this quick disconnect. So we replaced the fitting and redid the quick disconnect, checked for leaks, and let's go ahead and check for leaks now by pulling the lever. We have a backflush disc in the group head. See, there's no leaks. And then you can turn it off. So just check the hot water quick. Hot water is working well. Still no leaks. So thank you for watching the Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.